Hey everyone! Get ready for an in-depth look at the automotive marvel that's set to redefine driving pleasure. The 2020 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through its design, performance, and features, as we uncover what makes this car a true standout in the automotive world. The idea of bringing back an iconic name in the automotive industry always conjures images of grandeur. Renderings run rampant with modern twists, updated drivetrains, and state-of-the-art suspension. When discussing the titans of the muscle car era, I think most would agree that the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is right in the thick of it. In terms of iconic cars that changed the way we looked at motorized transportation, sadly, the Chevelle name has been gone for 45 years now. But, thanks to Trans Am Worldwide, the Chevelle is making a big return in 2024 as the 70 SS. The 2020 70 SS is offered in a number of colors, with numerous upgrades and options. Knowing a thing or two about retro, Trans Am Worldwide currently builds, you guessed it, Trans Ams. However, they build their interpretation of what the Trans Am would be today had Pontiac not been shuttered by the General. To broaden their horizons, they have designed and built from the ground up a car that they believe will live up to the Chevelle name. Badged as the 70 SS, Trans Am Worldwide took styling cues from the original 1970 model while at the same time putting their modern interpretations on it. Starting with a new 6th-gen Camaro as the foundation, the designers completely changed every part of the exterior. The only untouched area was the windshield, as you can see. Every body panel has been reshaped to pay homage to the classic 70 Chevelle Super Sport. They even stretched the car's rear with new quarter panels. Deck lid and bumper, the interior remains mostly Camaro. However, the 70 SS does receive retro-styled seats and carpet. The 70 SS badging and Hurst cue ball shift knob are also nice touches. Almost nothing remains of the Camaro that serves as the foundation and starting point for the 70 SS. The windshield is the only exterior part that isn't changed. No skimping on power. If you are going to build a car to bring back the Chevelle, it had better not be short on horsepower. The 70 SS does an excellent job in this department. You can order the car with one of 3 power plant options. The base engine is the 450 horsepower one that comes in the Camaro. If you want more power and excitement, a 396 cubic inch LT engine producing 900 horsepower can be installed. If you are anything like us and want to go all in, the 70 SS can be had with a 450 for cubic inch LS6 X-packing twin turbochargers. The top-tier offering makes a tire-frying 1,500 horsepower. The 70 SS is offered in both manual and automatic transmission versions, and there are suspension upgrades as well. Just check the box for the optional removable hardtop. For those wanting the look of a coupe, 8 heritage colors are available, as well as 10 modern metallic and pearl hues to choose from. You can even pick your own custom color if that's your thing. Additional options include wheel and tire packages, custom graphics, exposed carbon fiber, and brake upgrades. Now let's talk about 2020 Chevelle 70 SS pricing and availability. As per Trans Am Worldwide, the 2020 Chevelle 70 SS starts with an MSRP of $165,000. The prices can get very steep if we consider the plethora of customization options, but the most expensive 70 SS model will be the LS6 X-equipped one. As it is limited to 25 units, it can easily breach the $250,000 mark. Trans Am Worldwide is currently taking orders for the new Chevelle 70 SS. In conclusion, the 2020 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is more than just a car, it's an experience. From its striking exterior to its thrilling performance and cutting-edge features, Every aspect has been crafted with precision and passion. Are you ready to redefine your driving experience? The 2020 for Chevrolet Chevelle SS is waiting to take you on a journey like never before. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy driving!